Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your plan with T-Mobile, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, gather your account information, including your phone number and any PIN or password associated with your T-Mobile account. Next, you can choose to cancel your plan through the T-Mobile website, the T-Mobile app, or by calling customer service. If you decide to go through the website, open your preferred web browser and visit the T-Mobile homepage. Sign in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section. Look for the option that says Plan or Manage Plan. Follow the prompts to review your current plan details. At this point, look for an option to cancel or change your plan. If you are using the T-Mobile app, open the app on your mobile device. Log in with your account details. Tap on the Account tab at the bottom of the screen. Navigate to Plan and find the option to manage or cancel your plan. If you prefer speaking to someone directly, call T-Mobile customer service at 611 from your T-Mobile phone or 1-877-7. Once connected, follow the voice prompts to speak with a customer service representative. Tell the representative that you wish to cancel your plan. They may ask for verification details, so have your account information ready. The representative will guide you through the cancellation process. Make sure to ask about any final billing details or fees associated with your cancellation. After confirming your cancellation, make sure to save any confirmation details for your records. Now you are all set with your plan cancellation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.